Okay, this is Freckles meeting the ever excited Jeopardy. Come here. Go talk to Freckles.
Say she's not doing anything.
Say she doesn't get excited and shake her whole body like I do. Come here. Talk to Freckles. Freckles, what do you think? What do you think of this big boy? Isn't he nice?
Are you coughing, pretty boy?
Yes, I've had heartworms for eating. Come here. Come here, Mr. Excitement. Come talk just to Freckles, okay? Okay, here. Talk to Freckles.
You're scaring Bonita.
Bonita, you're just going to have to live with it for a minute. You would be good with other dogs, wouldn't you, sweetheart? You okay?